we talk about how can you disable future read content notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. And all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings. So when you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you click here on manage notifications. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. So then you go down here, you keep going down. Then you come here to feature content here. Just click in this sun or this color. Like you sorry, when you click in this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean future rate content notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.